Around 5 o'clock in the morning, police were called to a hotel after security reported a disturbance. Security asked that 4 guests, who had caused the commotion, be trespassed. During the response, one woman asked to sit and calm down, saying she felt ganged upon by her friends.
I just want to sit because I feel like I'm ganged up on. I don't want to do anything crazy. I just want to sit because I feel like my friends ganged up on me.
Okay. Are you staying here?
Clearly they weren't my friends. I thought the one was. And
Are you staying here?
yes, I'm safe. My room is 411. I just want to calm down before I go to my room.
Okay.
Because I don't want anything to escalate. I just now know these girls aren't my friends.
Okay. How many of them are up there?
I think like 4.
Can I tell you how I feel before you talk?
Sure. I wasn't talking, but go ahead.
I know, but I know you will eventually.
Okay.
So this trip was me and my coworker that we've been knowing each other for like 6 years on and off. And I didn't feel fully comfortable with their friends. And I thought I was fully comfortable. And it's like, they switched on me.
Okay.
And I didn't do anything against anybody. And I'm just like, I don't want to be a part of this drama.
Okay.
You're not listening.
I am listening. I just gotta watch other people around me. Where are you gonna stay if you don't stay here tonight?
Here.
Well,
The only option until the girls. Me, like, this whole thing against me, I didn't do anything.
I got you. Well, I don't think staying here is gonna be an option tonight for you or your friends. So, what's a backup plan?
I'm telling you, I'm not making any misfits. I'm telling you, I work 80, 90 hours a week.
Like I said, you're not gonna...
Okay, but I'm gonna rest here before I make any decisions because my mental health is not okay right now. So just let me sit for 10, 15 minutes and then
You can
I'll order
sit
an Uber.
while I go talk to them,
Thank
but they
you.
want you off the property.
I know.
So go ahead and start your Uber or something. Okay?
I just need a moment before I order an Uber.
And I'm telling you, I'm giving you a moment, but by the time I come
I
back down here,
know, we're
I hope
in
you
agreement.
Okay.
I know.
I don't want to have to kick you off the property physically.
You would never.
I would have to if you didn't refuse to leave.
I'm not refusing to leave.
Okay, I'm giving
I
you a
just
chance
need
to...
a mental break because
All right.
I'm like stressed
We'll
right
take
now.
your mental break and start your Uber, okay?
Officers explained the hotel wanted everyone off the property and gave the group a short window to pack up and arrange rides.
Hello.
Hello. Are you guys all packing to leave?
Yeah, we're out of
Okay.
here.
The girl that's downstairs, is she going with somebody?
She's
Okay.
Is she with
you guys?
She was. Oh. But she's been drinking way too much.
Yeah, I could tell. All right.
I can tell.
Yeah, so...
Yeah, she got kicked out yesterday. Like, this is
All
too
right.
much.
So you guys gotta, unfortunately, get a move on, because...
I just have 2 bags.
Okay. Because, I guess the hotel staff wants you guys out, like, ASAP, so I don't want to have to trespass anybody.
Yeah, we are out of here.
I hear you loud, bro. I'm out.
Let's believe
got you.
that.
While the group was packing upstairs, tensions ran high. Friends argued loudly, blaming one another and going back and forth over who was allowed into the room.
Who knows the girl downstairs the best?
Me. I
do?
work with her.
Okay. All right. Are you guys all going in the same car?
Probably not.
Is she going with you then?
I am with them.
So where is she going?
Are y'all planning?
She going to the airport with you guys?
She needs to. But I don't think she's going to get in the car.
Okay. Well, she has options to leave, and
Yeah.
I'll leave that up
That's
to
on
her.
her.
Okay. All right. I'll let you finish packing.
Yeah, thank you.
Yep. All right. What are we doing?
I'm packing my stuff and leaving because clearly these girls are not my friends.
Okay, well, let them get out first, and then you can grab your stuff. Yes.
I'm here to pack my own stuff. They can stay for the night. They can be
They
comfortable.
can't stay. They have to go, too.
They can
Everybody
be
has to-
comfortable. I'm one person. I'm not going to wait for 4. Please
Okay.
just let me pack my stuff. I have most of it packed.
Well, they're almost done. You can go and grab the rest of your stuff when they're done. Yes. You're shaking your head no, but I'm shaking my head yes.
I will listen to you, but not this bitch because she
Why
does
she
not.
didn't do anything to you?
Because exactly, she don't even listen to the full story, and she's got a problem.
She's not. She doesn't even talk to you.
Exactly, she hasn't even talked to
got
me,
here
and
late.
she's still got an attitude on her face. Yeah, report somebody else. I'm 5'3", 180 pounds. What do I really need?
Why are you being hostile?
One person.
Look at me. Not her.
Because these bitches, especially this one, is fake as as a friend.
Okay, don't point.
Get away from me, you.
Okay, yeah.
Don't.
You are.
We're not getting physical. So
I have always tried backing her up, and all of a sudden she's got a problem, and now everybody else has got a problem. And she's got a smirk on her face like it's nobody's business.
Can you move so they can get by?
I'm right here. I can't move any further unless you want me to jump off, which
I
you'd
don't
be
want you to
doing me
jump
a
off.
favor, brother.
No.
Thank you. I have like you're never part of something. You're never part of drama.
All right, you can finish packing now.
These bitches are.
Okay, you can finish packing now.
I have like everything.
Then why do you have to come back up here?
Because I need to get the rest of them. Yes, thank you. Everybody's been wearing them, so thank you for not letting anybody steal them.
We were not.
Yeah, right. Not you.
We don't need anything.
So what do you
Right.
still have in here?
Not you, like I said. Maybe Caitlin.
What do you still have in here?
I can't hear you. Come closer.
I said,
Caitlin, fun. I can't hear you. Come closer.
this is arresting.
I think not. You're a bad friend. You asked me 2 days ago. You're a bad friend.
I thought you had stuff you had to finish packing.
Like I said, I am, but she's a bad fucking friend.
Okay.
Amanda's cool. She's almost cool, but she's under Amanda's. Not Amanda. Katie's fella. She's a bad fucking friend.
Finish packing.
Can you come in here with me? Just you. I don't want her.
Oh, I want her with me. So
No, I'm not going to do anything bad.
I don't think.
No.
What do you have to pack?
That's not how that works. You don't get what you want here. You are not trustworthy. If you want to come in, come in.
What do you
But
have against
you're
her?
not right. Because she doesn't even take a second to listen to anything I say.
She got.
And she's got this attitude.
Okay, what do you have to pack?
Then you want to listen to one thing I got to say?
Grab your stuff.
Then come in.
Can you grab?
It doesn't need to be a scene to wake everybody up, so come in.
It's not, but the door's not going to close.
Okay, so everybody's going to hear this and nobody's going to sleep.
What do you have to pack?
Nobody's going to sleep.
She can leave. Just leave it at the desk. Perfect. Just leave it in there.
Yeah.
Perfect. Works for me.
Never.
Get dressed. Put your pants on.
Your
Let's
makeup
go.
is off.
Okay, I don't care. Get dressed.
Can I
Let's go.
give you a favor?
Get dressed.
No more cover up or anything like that. Oh, now you're insulted. I'm not touching you, bro. I'm not touching you. I'm not touching you. Get off me! Get off me! Yeah, this one for me. Get off. Get off me. Stop. Oh, because I said your makeup is bad.
Put your hand on your.
I told you, get off me, dude. You're breaking my left wrist. Get off my left wrist. Help me up. Help me out. Help me out. Exactly. She doesn't know right about that.
She said,
Huh?
She got shorts on.
Exactly. I said I'm complaining from day one. I just said I'm not safe with her.
and she can come back one time to get
I
it.
promise you.
Perfect.
And
We ready to go?
Yep.
All right, come on, we're going downstairs.
Please, can you put my hair up? I have a hair clip somewhere.
No, we're not putting your hair up. Come on.
My credit card is right there.
It's staying
My
in.
credit card is right there.
Staying in here.
Why would you touch a woman like this? My credit card is here, and I don't even live in Florida. Don't touch me. Yeah, you're not trustworthy either. No, God, your fucking girl's that.
Thank you.
All right, come on.
No,
Yes.
I'm telling you,
And I'm telling you.
my shit is still in there, and you want me to leave Wisconsin without it?
Florida.
Exactly! You want me to leave Florida back to Wisconsin 32 hours away without it?
Ma'am. What stuff are you talking about?
My fucking
No,
debit card!
I'm not yelling.
I know, I don't mean to yell at
Okay.
you. I'm so
I understand.
upset.
But I'm not yelling, so don't yell.
Can I
okay?
just go with you and show you it's my wallet, it's my debit card, it's my phone. I don't know how else to get there.
Let's come on here. I'm gonna
And
talk.
clearly I can't trust this guy because he's
Listen.
under a fucking woman's thumb.
Listen, hey, listen.
Just go right to my car.
Hold on.
Please.
Is her wallet up there?
Yes!
We have no idea where anything is. She took everything out of her purse.
Just calm down for a second.
My ID.
Okay.
My credit card. Keep talking about
I'll
you.
see-
Why do you
look.
keep doing that?
Okay,
It's so
listen,
disgusting.
listen,
Why
listen.
can't you be a girl?
Listen,
Girl?
okay?
I was sleeping in my fucking car. over
Ma'am,
them.
okay.
No, I'm talking to him.
No, you're not.
I'm
Go on the car.
talking to him.
Go on the
You're
car.
You're hurting me.
Then walk.
Let go. You hurt me. You're hurting me.
Walk.
You're hurting me. Let me go so I can walk like a human.
You're not walking like a human.
Exactly. Let me go so I can walk like a human. I'm not gonna fucking touch you. I'm fucking 5'3", 180 pounds, brother. Look how compliant I am.
Now take a seat.
All because you can just listen to me. Girl needs to get away from me.
She's not. Look, she's up for doing her paperwork.
Yeah,
Talk to me
I'm
right
doing
now
the
and calm
paperwork
down.
and making me feel like a crazy animal.
All she's doing is typing on her computer.
No, she is contributing to my trauma issues right now, and I've been trying to tell you guys that you don't
She's just doing her
listen.
paperwork right now, okay?
All she's doing is her job.
I don't want her to drive me, please. I don't want her to drive me. I don't want.
There's a camera right there.
I'm telling you, I feel safer with a man. Please do not let her buy me.
We'll figure
I
something
don't
out.
care. Any
Sure,
one of you,
hang tight.
do
Watch your
not
right.
let her buy me.
Listen,
I'm telling you.
I'm telling you one time. I'm telling you one time. Okay, I understand.
In the end,
I
with the
understand, but
hotel
listen,
firm on
I
its
put the
request
window down so
and the
you can breathe.
disturbance
I know.
ongoing,
If you're
gonna continue
officers
to scream
removed
out
the
the
group
window,
from
I'm
the
gonna put the
property.
window back
Casey
up.
was
Can I
charged
tell you
with
something
no,
about
CNN
my
talks.
obstructing an
medical
officer without violence.